I'm in a really weird mood. Guys, I don't know what's up with today, but like I've had the worst headache all day. And then on top of that, I was looking at my hair and I was like, wow, my hair does like not look cute right now. It just is not working for me. So I spontaneously went to Sally's Beauty and I decided I'm gonna dye my hair. So I'm not gonna change the color, I think, drastically. But the thing is, my hair has just not been toned in a long time, so it's looking really orangey, brassy. It's just not the ashy brown that I want it to be. So I'm just gonna like tone the heck out of it. So I thought I'd show you guys my little haul before we decide to ruin my hair. 20 volume developer, and then I decided to get 2 toners because I'm indecisive and I don't know which one I need. I got a 7A and 8A. I have no idea what that means. I feel like every YouTuber always gets like the T18 or like T16 or something Wella toners, but I think they have like violet undertones and I wanted something with the blue undertone to counteract the orange. Color wheel, so smart, I know. So let's just get started. Also, I had gloves somewhere. Where did my gloves go? Where it at? Haha. I found the gloves. So we're just gonna go ahead and do this. Yeah, why waste time, right? Doing stuff to my hair isn't new to me. I have so been there before, but I think the last time I did something to my hair, it turned orange. Like, I'm not even joking, I'll insert a photo right here. Yeah, I know. I took it really well. Had a little bit of a freak out the first 2 minutes, and then I was like, it's hair, it's fine. But that was because I was like bleaching my hair. I'm not gonna be bleaching today. So I don't know which one I'm gonna go with. 8A says light ash blonde, and then 7A says medium smoky ash blonde. I just don't think my hair is light enough to be toned with the 8. So I'm gonna use the 7, and hopefully this works. So I think it's 1 part this, and 2 parts developer. We got a lot of developer. So I'm just gonna pour this straight into my bowl, I guess. Oh! I don't know why I smelled it. Ugh, okay. Low-key crying already. Okay, I'm gonna maybe measure it in here. Oh yeah. Oh, this is working very well. So here's 1 part. Yeah. 2. This is so fun already. It's like we're in art class or something. Yes. Cool, this is awesome. All right, wow, why does it smell way stronger than I remember? Maybe it's just like super, super fresh. Like the chemicals are just ready to do their thing. It's like gloppy. Lumpy consistency. Okay, so, ow. My hair is sticking to the glove. Ow. Oh, what if this like damages my shirt? BRB. I come back with a trash bag. This could probably protect me. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow, I feel like I'm at the salon already. I could totally turn this into a shirt. I don't know. I need to get a hair tie. Oh, perfect. Ah, yeah. Look at us saving money. Oh my God, this is genius. Oh, shoot, I should get a comb. Whatever. Our toner is ready. I should hurry though, honestly, what am I doing? This all needs a tone at the same pace. Yeah, I don't know how clean I need to be with it. I'm just gonna get pretty messy. Oh, this feels so great. I love feeling beautiful. Ugh, this is so scary. Oh God, okay. I feel so uncomfortable right now. You know what? You do what you gotta do to save money. Is it scary? Yes. Is it possible to mess up? Yes. But is there a chance that I could look good? Yes. So I'm willing to risk. Oh, this looks really ugly. Thumbnail. Oh, almost done. Last layer, let's go. Oh, look at that. See, it's just like not cute. Oh, it's fine, it fell in the bowl. Oh, that definitely did not fall in the bowl. Okay, the hair is pretty saturated. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Siri never listens to me. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Oh, hey Siri. Set a timer for 35 minutes.
Your timer is set for 35 minutes.
Thank you. So yeah, the bottle says to leave this on for 30 to 40 minutes. So I was like, okay, 35 sounds like a good little medium. All right, yeah, girl is done. That was so fun. I'm gonna let this sit for another 32 minutes and then I'll be back. Nachos or cauliflower dippers? Oh, this is so hard. I don't know if I'm hungry enough for a burger. All right, it's time to wash out our toner. Oh, I feel like I should order my food first. I don't want my hair to fall off though. Okay, I'm gonna go wash it. Wish me luck. I could hop in the shower, but I'm too lazy. Oh my god. It's so hard to do this while you're wearing makeup. Why did I do this to myself? Say honestly, guys, I might have to hop in the shower because I feel like I'm not getting everything. BRB. Alright guys, so I just finished washing my hair, but I haven't seen my hair because as soon as I got out of the shower, I just put my hair up and covered it with a towel. So the big unveiling, let's go. It looks a little green. Wait, I don't know if this is like the lighting or... Oh no, my hair for sure looks green. You know what? I'm just gonna dry it and maybe it'll look better. I'm sure it'll look cuter once it's dry. Maybe. So I'm just adding, I don't even know what it is. It's like an Aveda repair cream and it says it protects from heat. So I'm gonna add this before I blow dry my hair. And I'm also gonna spray a bit of the Bumble and Bumble heat protectant. And hopefully my hair doesn't get fried. I still hate it. Oh my god. Like low key. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm going to straighten / style this hair right now. I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna try and I'll get back to you guys. Yeah. I had just finished styling my hair and then I got the notification that my food was here. Yeah, I'm excited. I've never tried food from here before. And I ended up getting a jalapeno burger and a cookie. Oh my god, I'm so glad I got it. I know we're here for the hair. Now that it's styled and I've like seen it in different lighting, I do actually like it. But guys, that was awesome. Like literally that was $20 for all of my supplies. It took me like no more than an hour. So look at me saving money. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, this looks so good. I just knew you would appreciate. This is vegan. Is that crazy? Wow. It was spicy. Oh, it's so good. Oh yeah. Amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and being on this little hair journey with me. I was not planning to film this video at all. I never film stuff like this. Ever. But I felt like if I was an experiment and if it ended up going really bad, might as well document it. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for me. Love you and I'll see you in my next video. Deuces.